Now that we have our assets imported, we can start work on first scene. So right click in the hierarchy, create a 3D object, a plane, and set the scale to pretty big. We'll go 20 by 20 for now. This will be changed later. Set the main camera, the clear flags, to solid color, and change it to a sky blue or any color of your choosing. We can also rename this plane to environment. And this will hold all of our roads and anything we build on it. Anything other than the car. Make sure to reset the transform so that it's centered. And you can see on the camera here, this is what you'll be driving on. If you want, you can, in assets, make a new folder called materials. In the materials folder, make a material and just set the color to a dark gray. And if you drag this on the environment game object, you can edit the color. Clearly I didn't make it dark enough. That way it looks like a road. For now, this will be changed later, so don't worry too much about it.